Hey guys, Scamming. Today we're going to plug all the Alexas in, because at the moment they're all unplugged. It looks like this one's plugged in, but it's not, so we're going to plug all three of them in now. That's one plugged in. Now the second one. Now this one. Right. Now last one. Last one. Right, there we go. Now they're all plugged in. We're going to show you that they all work now. And we're going to say hello to all the Alexas before the video ends. So, Alexa, time.
The time is 3:04 p.m.
Right, now the next one. Alexa, time.
The time is 3:05 p.m.
Right, now last one. Alexa, time.
The time is 3:05 p.m.
Now I think that's all about it. So, that's all I'm going to show you guys. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and peace.